Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get Steam on your school computers or laptops. So firstly go to your browser, then just simply type in Steam, then open Steam, then click on the official Steam store website. Now over here just simply click on login Steam, then over here just simply click on install Steam, then just simply install the Steam for your Windows. Then choose your desktop as a location, then save it. Now after the downloading process is completed, the next thing that you have to do is just simply create a new folder. Then just simply drag the Steam exe that you just downloaded into that folder. Then go inside that folder. Now just simply create a new text document. Just simply go to new, then text document. Now over here just simply open it. And now just simply copy and paste the codes given to you in the description box below, which is this one. Now you don't have to make any changes over here, but what you have to do is just simply click on file and save. Now close it. Now after you have done saving this process, now make sure to enable view extension name. Now for doing that, what you have to do is just simply go to view, show, then file name extensions. Now just simply make sure that this is checked over here, because without the extension you will not be able to see the extension name and you can't change it either. Now in order to enable that, just simply go to view, show, file extension. You can also do this by going to the three lines over here, then options, then go to view. Now over here you can also see hide extensions for known file type. Make sure this is unchecked. So after that, just simply right click on it, then click on rename. Now remove the entire name and you can give any name, let's say launch. But the most important part is in the end of whatever name you choose, it should be .bat. Then just simply click on the screen. Then a new pop-up will appear. Just simply hit yes. Now after that, you have successfully created a bat file. Now what this file will do is it will automatically start your game without going through the administrative option, because in most of the computers it's mostly logged, and for actually installing anything you will need to have a password if you want to go through the administrative route. But in this case you won't be asked to enter any password, or the administrative page will not appear entirely. So just simply double click on the bat file and the Steam setup has launched. Now there is one more thing that you have to do. Just simply go to next, then again next, choose a language. Now over here in the destination folder, what you have to do is just simply browse and go to C or any drive that you want to install the game, but make sure it is not at the default location, because in most of the computers you are not allowed to go to the program files. So just simply choose any other file location where you want to choose, like C for example. Then in C just simply create a new folder, call it launch again. Let's go with launch. Now just simply double click on launch and choose this as a destination folder. Then you can just simply install the game and there should be no issue. Now after the installation process is complete, you may receive two different types of error. So what you have to do is, when the error pops up, which are this one, this is the first error that can pop up. So in the first error just simply hit ignore, and after that a second error will appear. In that error just simply hit cancel and the Steam should launch. Now there are a few restrictions that you have to follow in order to actually play the games. So the restrictions are high AAA games will not be able to run, because in some games they will need admin privileges or they will need higher graphic card, which school laptops and computers doesn't have. So just simply keep that in mind, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.